The Ford pickup driver loses control and spins out due to no traction. The camera sent in the footage to everyone involved. Thankfully, everyone was alright.
Josh! Josh! Hold on! Hold on!
This crash involved multiple semis. The driver was very selfless as his first instinct was to warn his co-driver to hold on. It's a miracle that the drivers made it out alive. This clip is a great example to see how things can change in seconds on the road. For some reason, the red car driver loses control of his vehicle and takes out another vehicle with him. Thanks to the guardrails, the spinning vehicle didn't come to the other side of traffic. What do you think caused the spin out?
That's awesome. Wow. This is fantastic. This is going on DDS right here.
The truck driver sees the Mustang driver use the shoulder to skip traffic and then puts matters into his own hands by blocking him in. Do you approve of this vigilante karma? The camera rear-ended the car in front of him, however he claims that he couldn't have stopped in time. Insurance still has not ruled on this. Do you think they'll rule in the camera or the other driver's favor? The car that was stopped on the shoulder decides to randomly pull out in front of the semi going 65 miles per hour. Many do not understand that semis do not stop as fast as cars. The truck driver clearly had places to be and thought way too highly of himself and used the shoulder lane to overtake traffic. Thankfully, there was a perfectly positioned karma cop who instantly pulled him over, giving him a nice wake-up call. The Nissan driver coming from the right failed to yield to the camera at the roundabout and then clipped the camera, being at fault. The camera hit a patch of black ice which caused him to lose control, slide into a guardrail, and skid for over 100 feet. The camera miraculously suffered minor injuries. The Camaro driver failed to notice that the lane next to hers was also a turn lane and decided to go straight, sideswiping the camera and clearly being at fault. The driver was speeding on the highway and barely made it between two semi-trucks. This is an extremely foolish and reckless move. The truck driver failed to properly yield to oncoming traffic and proceeded in front of the camera. He braked too late, causing the sideswipe collision. I'm not sure what happened to cause this, but as you can see, the road rage between the drivers accomplished absolutely nothing, like all road rage does. What do you think caused this? Let me know what you think down below. The driver was clearly distracted and not paying full attention to traffic. While yes, he did brake, he braked too late, causing the rear end collision. Had the drivers not been alert, this could have ended so much worse. This is a great example as to why one should always stay alert.
Stop it. Call 911. Just witnessed an accident. And this car right here caused it.
Here, I'm calling it. Will you do it?
Arizona state troopers estimate that the Corolla was driving roughly 120 miles per hour. The driver was arrested and charged with felony reckless endangerment, driving under the influence of drugs, excessive speeding, failure to maintain lanes, failure to maintain control of a motor vehicle, and driving without insurance.